So I'm going to show you how to open and read PDF documents on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So depending on where that document is, you just open it using the Notes app, which normally comes pre-installed on your Galaxy A17. So mine is in the Files app, so I'm going to go to Files and go to Documents, and here I can find some PDF documents like this one. So if you tap on a PDF document, you will see all these options. You can select the Samsung PDF Reader. Again, this also comes pre-installed. You can choose always or just once, depending on what you want. So I'm going to choose always so that that type of file is always opened in that application. And if there's any trouble with the document, I can tap on restore, and that's it. You can see now it's opened in the PDF editor. There you go. Okay, now if you want to, you can also edit this PDF here. So you can tap on this pen icon and edit the PDF. You can see I can write on the PDF. I can put in text. I can make annotations. I can even erase whatever I've drawn. There's so much you can do with this PDF document reader. It comes pre-installed on your phone, and you can use it to open any kind of PDF document. Thanks for watching, and good luck.